Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news as cargo ships collided in Fujian waters, 1 ship sank, 6 missing, China. Fish carrier Fenghai 78 collided with cargo ship Fengyan 68 at 0540 Beijing time R 27 off Ningde, Fujian province waters, China, southern East China Sea. Fengyan 68 with cargo of 900 tons of steel was hit by fish carrier's bow, and sank. Of 7 crew on board, 1 was rescued and 6 are missing, search and rescue underway. Fish carrier Fenghai 78, IMO 9901219, DWT 734, built 2020, flag China, manager Fuzhou Haisheng Shipping CEO. Cargo ship Fengyuan 68, MMSI 413,215,260, length 54 meters, flag